Now the final area we're going to cover is what I call my wealth corner of the house. There's butterfly. Hello butterfly. So it's just up from the sunset area. There's the carport to the right, another fire pit, however it's just rocks, so this one I want to have a proper, bit more contained one. Can only really have that on a good night. But look at the sky here, and that is where the full moon comes up. It's amazing sitting out here. But I do get snakes, so go watch out for them. Alright, so this area here does get a lot of water, so there's a bit of a runoff area down there, and into there it's kind of like a bit of a creek, and you can see outside through my back door. You can see that area here. Let's have a look. There's no critters. You can see this area from inside, which is lovely. Alright, see there, it actually dips down, so that's a bit of a creek. So I'd love to have this paved, I think. Because you can't really mow along here, and the weeds grow, and it's just a bit of a nothing. So I think pavers, a bit of a courtyard, and have some nice things in pots. There's little stairs there, but I want to show you this. Look. My first ever pineapple. Just put the top in the ground, because apparently they're part of the bromeliad family, and I can grow them. Here's a basil trying to grow. Always cut otherwise they go to seed, but the seeds also will grow, so it's good to look at me gardening. That's my little pineapple, and when they're young, like super, that's how big it is. When it first came out, it was bright red. Oh, I was so excited. And look at this bomb. This is a massive. Just loves it here. Alright, look. It's very big. Nearly as big as me. Full sun, pretty much. So, yes, this is the wealth corner area, and it's a lovely spot to sit and watch the sunset. And the coconuts and the river and the highway. I can even watch a bit of telly if I want from outside, especially when the footy's on. I love that. Love my AFL. Alright, I'm going in, and that's the final video in the part ones, the befores. Let's go. Love to see you, bye.